Alright, so today I'll be teaching volatility 75 index. I'm on my 15 minutes time frame, so we need to add some indicators. Indicators help to identify the position of the markets, where to go, and not all indicators are accurate, and all indicators are not 100% accurate, but to an extent, if you use them correctly, you should get maximum profits. So just click here and Bollinger Bands. These are the settings already. I've set my own down already. I just cleared them so I can do it again and get the set. These are the settings, so you get these settings correct. And your levels, if you want to add a level, because this is not big, you just you add the level you want to add, then go back. These are the settings. See, this is how it should look like now. So that is not all. Go back. And your moving average, it should be the settings. I've set my own already down, so the settings. Exponential close, your period should be 10, your shift to be 0. Then you add again a parabolic SAR. These are the settings already. Yes, there's step 0.005, your maximum 0.05. Stars, any color you want, sure. Then add again and come down. I'm looking for Mark D. These are the settings for Mark D. Fast AMH 12, slow AMH 26, Mark D SMA 9. Apply to close. Then color you want. See your Mark D down here. One more. No, actually two more. Your stochastic oscillator. These are the settings. Your K period 60, D period 1, slowing 1, price field close, method exponential. And your level, when you come, you see only two levels down here. These are you set it. You can just add a level. First, you can choose what the level should be 10. This level should be 10. 10 should be buy, 90 sell, your 50 wait. This is how it is. So done. So no, I prefer my MACD up. I prefer my stochastic oscillator up. And no, my parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR. No. Okay, my moving average. I'm redoing the moving average on my stochastic oscillator. Yes, this is black, this is it here. This is the stochastic oscillator down here. I want my moving average to be on it. This one up here, I'm going to remove it now, the one on the main chart. Just so look at this. This is a perfect trade right now. First of all, make sure you use low lot sizes, and we're on a 15-minute time frame. What I need to do is zoom out. I need to zoom out to list. This is not accurate yet, but see, can you see the red lines on your stochastic oscillator? This is the one down here, the stochastic oscillator. The red lines, once they touch, see down here, from this 10, that is on buy, you can see the red line cross to the black. Then what do? You buy. See how far it came all the way up here. Now it's dropping. How you know where you stop buying or stop selling? Once the red line touches the tip of the other line, at that point you need to stop selling or stop buying. You understand? Once the red line touches the up, but if you don't have a high equity, like you're starting with something like $50, $100. Once the red line crosses this weight, that's 50, you can just take your profit and leave the market. Or if you want, if you have hope, if you are sure of your trade, you can let it go to the peak. Okay, let me show another example of sell. Okay, see here right now. Here, the market was up above 90. Then we are looking at stochastic oscillator for now. Market was up above 90, and the stochastic oscillator, the red line crossed the black, and it's still coming down. So they're coming down all the way. Let me use this one. Okay, see it from here. Imagine you sold at this point and came all the way down. This is a 15-minute time frame. This is a lot of profit, a lot of pips gathered. You just take your pips and run away. That is how this volatility market. The market is very volatile. That's why the name itself is volatility. Very volatile. It can make you poor in seconds. It can make you rich in seconds. So imagine you sold here and it came all the way down. Then once you reach this place, you close your trade. You see the down of this buy, you close your trade. Instead coming up again. Then see here again. The red cross is black and instead coming down again. Can you see? Then okay, to be sure of it, you now look at your MACD. See your MACDs are the peak already. They're the peak of the black shadow. It's never accurate. It's at the peak of the black shadow there, and you see it coming down, and you see this one coming down. This is just a very perfect trade. Like, I don't understand. If I teach you this thing, if you follow all the guides and follow this and finish, and you just lose, and like, okay, you've practiced your demo account, and you now say you want to practice, you want to put in your real money, and you try it and you lose funds, then you need to see your village people. I'm not trying to be funny here, but this is actually very accurate. Like, you could see everything. This is a very accurate trade. So what actually kills people is the fact that they try to rush, they tend to rush, and they use high lot sizes. You don't use high lot size when you are trading, no matter how much you have in your equities. If you have $10,000, okay, you can use something like, for volatility, 75. For 75, you can use something. Sorry, my network is kind of bad. Anyhow, you can use something low, something like 0.05. Well, it depends on your equity, but if you're starting with, let's say, 5,000 naira, that is $10, a $10 account. I don't expect you to imagine getting mad profits. If your trades are accurate, at least $1 per trade, that should be your goal. It's not something that you just, okay, I want to rush it, let me get mad profits. You just put one high lot size. Once, whenever a trade starts, it starts with minus. Once you just put that in, the minus will swallow your whole equity. Like, your $10 just disappear, and there's nobody there refunding it. Your money has gone. I hope you know. So this is how it is, So any questions you can just ask, because for me the accuracy of this is very obvious, and some of all these other indicators we didn't really use them, but I just like it there. It's fine. Yeah, but some of them are okay. You can see from up here, but this thing cannot give you accurate timing. This red one, you see, this parabolic cannot give you accurate timing. It's not come from up here down here. I beg. Then if you want to, then you can change. But for me, 15 minutes time frame is the best. You can change your time frame. You can put 5-minute time frame. I put 1 minute. But I prefer the 15-minute time frame to make me catch a lot of pips. So I would have done a live trading here, but my network is kind of bad now. So maybe another time on my next video, if I do another video, I have that strength. If I do another video, I'll perform a live trading so you guys can see the profit and see that I'm not just teaching what is not actually happening. Right now, see, the market is not even moving because my network it's not rubbish. It's not going at all. Anyhow, so I'll end this video here. Let's not be too long and too capish. I don't like too much caps. And from this, you guys should just learn this thing, because I'm actually giving this out for free. Like, yes, just if you can just learn this practice. This those are the only brokers that carry this thing, that carry synthetic markets like Volatility, Crash and Boom. I want everybody to suck money from them. Those people have, before I learned all this stuff, I lost more than $100 on this thing. I'll put $10, I'll just trade, everything will blow. I'll put $10 again. As a very stupid boy I was, I'll just keep on blowing the account. But right now, I don't think I can blow my account anymore. No, it's not just for me. I just trade and get my profit and I move. So everybody should learn and suck money from them. But oh well. So I'll end this here now, This is I don't know. Head out.